In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT voice chat feature. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. If you go to ChatGPT app and open it, then log into your account, you should be able to see this icon. This is the voice chat feature or voice recognition feature that you can use to chat with ChatGPT via voice. Just go ahead and tap on it and start speaking. Hello, please tell me about ChatGPT. Please tell me about ChatGPT. Yes, please. For how long has ChatGPT been in use?
ChatGPT's first.
Thank you. Great. So to end the conversation, just tap on end here, and now you'll have done. So you can decide whether to share this or you can decline if you don't want. And for this, you have to note that your chat history will also be available if you want it for future reference. As you can see, it is here. So that's how you can use ChatGPT voice chat feature. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.